Hi, I'm Yas, one of the skin and laser specialists here in Havana, Dundrum, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about when you will see results after using the dermaroller. So by using the roller, say 2 to 3 times a week at the start, you will see a difference after 1 week of use of the roller itself. It is creating that controlled injury, it is brightening up our skin, it is helping with fine lines, wrinkles, and it's also closing our pores and blocking our pores. So you will see results after 1 week, your skin will be naturally brighter. So with the dermaroller, you will see a difference after 1 week. So what I would advise you to do is to use it 2 to 3 times a week, build your skin up to a tolerance of it, then you can use it 4 to 5 times a week, and then you can pull back on it once you're happy with the results that you've got. As I said, you will see a difference after 1 week, your skin will be a lot brighter, and your skin will continue to change up to 12 weeks. So as my opinion, I would say use it for 2 to 3 times a week, build your skin up to it, then build it up to 4 to 5 times a week, and then pull back down on it to maybe once every 2 weeks. I hope you found this video useful and you enjoyed the information. If you'd like to have your very own Image ADS Premium Derma Roller, just follow the link below and you can avail of 60% off. Thanks for watching.